Indie Global Media Network।
नमस्कार, वेलकम टू दिस स्पेशल इंटरेक्शन ऑफ इंडी ग्लोबल मीडिया नेटवर्क। आज हमारे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं जो करीब 25 इयर्स उन्होंने एज ए साइंटिस्ट गवर्नमेंट के साथ काम किया। एट द सेम टाइम ही इज़ ऑल्सो हैज़ डन PhD with IIT Roorkee. Currently he is serving as the Vice Chancellor for a private university in the state of Bihar. He is the Vice Chancellor for Dr. C.V. Raman University. Please join me in welcoming Professor Dr. Murali Lal Gaur. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Sir, एक specific question आपसे पूछना है, खासकर you come from a background where you have worked for more than 4 decades in the government sector. Now you are in the private sector. So there you might be seeing a kind of differences between the education ecosystem in government and education ecosystem in private sector. How do you see what kind of energies that are required so that the synergies of both the ecosystem join so that they go together hand in hand and it would benefit ultimately to the students?
Nowadays education is changing. We are entering in a new era of new education policy. We are talking of blending the resources, blending the courses, blending the programs, blending the organizations, and blending the subject lines. So in this sense, this is the right time to tell that private university is coming in a big way. Only one question is there: how to have mutual trust of mutual benefits? Because on paper it looks nice, but when we work together, they don't really work together in a real sense. Dr. C.V. Raman University, Patna is a part of a very pride group, ISECT group of Bhopal, and whose owner, Engineer Santosh Chaubey. He is a 1984 IAS and he is electronics engineer. He took this theme since 1984. He clubbed the arts, science, history in a single university, and he is a very literate person. So he grown this group, and we have come out with 6 universities by now. So we have 6 universities in the country, plus we are working in 600 districts of the India, where the focus is to increase the livelihood of a poor person, poor students, to improve the skills. So in that sense, I like to say it's the right time where the resources of government organization and private organization must be shared in an honest way. The human resources, maybe physical resources, students must be exchanged. There can be a joint programs. For some period, students can exchange from university to university. Funds should be shared. Funds should be mutually beneficial. Sharing must be there. And goals should be, the end fruit will be for society, for the student, for the climate, for the sustainability. Because just giving degree or giving the marks is not a total output. It should be the knowledge. Or now, data-based knowledge. Because data creates information. Information creates knowledge. And knowledge creates wisdom. And wisdom gives you good policy. When your data is poor, your policy is poor. So instead of 75 years of growth in country, we are still not proper equipped with the policies because our data part is poor. So under NEP program, government agencies and private agencies and organizations and universities must work together to enrich the data-based learning and need-based learning, tailor-made program, tailor-made courses for the students of their own choices. So it's a good start.
Thank you very much, Dr. Murari ji. Your message for the students who look up to a career.
My message for the student is that, friends, you all are equipped with very good level of wisdom, even better than professor. Just be confident. Just try to inculcate your inner intelligence. Every student has some hidden intelligence. Convert that intelligence into a practice, and then a profession, and then business. Because whatever you know is a business. If you can sing well, it can be business. If you write well, it can be business. So don't go for degrees. Go to convert your inner intelligence into some good business for the people and for the environment and society.
Thank you very much, sir, for joining us.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your effort. First time I am seeing that the agency is so free to get the speakers to share the words. All the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Indie Global Media Network, taking innovation, collaboration, and growth to the forefront.